Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Apple developer team, a merchant ID, and an explicit app ID with Apple Pay enabled. In the developer portal, create or select a merchant ID, then add the Apple Pay capability to your app ID. Once done, generate and upload a payment processing certificate tied to that merchant ID. Make sure your bundle identifier matches the explicit app ID. Otherwise, Apple Pay won't appear in Xcode's signing and capabilities. Now open your project to continue. In Xcode, add the Apple Pay capability to the target and select your merchant ID. This injects required entitlements. Next, build a PK payment request with your merchant ID, country and currency codes, supported networks, and line items. Set required billing contact fields if needed. Present a PK payment authorization controller to collect payment and implement delegate callbacks to validate the payment and obtain the payment token. Send that token securely to your server for processing with your payment processor. Test using sandbox cards and a real device. On the server, receive the encrypted PK payment token over TLS and hand it to your payment service provider for decryption and charging. This step completes the payment flow. Make sure your merchant processing certificate is valid and your Apple Pay domain is verified if using Apple Pay on the web. Once implemented, test thoroughly in Sandbox and on a real device. If payments fail, check entitlement mismatches, certificate expiration, and server log errors. Recreate the merchant ID or regenerate certificates if needed to resolve persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.